Shooting the X95, I've got some Hornady 223 soft point 55 grain that I want to try out and see if they'll cycle in the X95. And I'm also using the Haley Strategic TRMP placard to try some reloads. So let's get started. Oh,